Hi, I'm Mark Starrett. I'm a Global Product Manager for Logitech G, and I'm here today to show the new G-Series keyboard, the G915 Lightspeed RGB mechanical keyboard. So we're very excited to announce this here today because this is the newest keyboard from Logitech G. This is a true mechanical keyboard, but it is a low profile mechanical switch. So that makes this keyboard literally half as thick as a typical traditional G-Series keyboard. And our design team spent real special effort on this to make it as thin as possible. We started with aluminum magnesium top cover that gives it stiffness and rigidity while being very clean. It has a steel bar inside to stiffen it, and then it's been engineered to remove every possible gap in here so that this can be as thin as possible. The whole entire keyboard is only 22 millimeters tall.
Dieses Video wird euch von HyperX präsentiert. Weitere Infos gibt es in der Infokarte.
And what's also unique is this is Lightspeed wireless. So this connects wirelessly via our receiver to your PC, or also connects via Bluetooth to your PC. And all the while being RGB, it has a battery that has a 30-hour run to die on full brightness. That usually translates to 1 to 2 weeks of use when you're gaming in a typical gamer mode. This has all the features of a gaming keyboard should have. You have your media controls here with our waterfall roller, media control buttons, and a soft touch rubber. You have all your regular keys. We have 5 G keys on the side. These are macro programmable. There's 3 modes for each one, so you can have up to 15 programmable macros. And these are all supplied via our G-Hub software. You can also store 3 sets of 5 G keys in onboard memory. This works with our software so that you can select and set animations that you download from our G-Hub community. You can create your own. You can make it your own keyboard. And it's just an outstanding feel, has all the feeling of a true mechanical keyboard. Has our GL switch. This is a GL switch that we worked with Kaiwa to perfect so that you have great keyboard feel. It comes in a clicky feel, it comes in tactile, and also a linear feel for those who don't like a clicker feel in their keyboards. And this one is available for €249. We also have its friend here with the G815. G815 has the same features as G915, but it's a wired version. The wired version does not have Lightspeed or Bluetooth, but it does have USB pass-through so that you can connect another device to it, say a mouse or a headset or a memory stick or anything like that. Also 5 G keys, full media controls, and it comes in the 3 switches again. So either one. This one is €199, and these are available now. We're very excited about it. They both have a aluminum magnesium top cover and fitted bottom cover plastic so that they are super rigid, super stiff, but also very light and just amazingly thin. So thin, our user testing, nobody wanted to use a palm rest anymore. So it's a very, very exciting product for us, and we're glad to have it out now.